whenever anyone mentions AI, their eyes light up. And I think this is such an exciting time already for the future of medicine. But AI is going to be such a huge help because, as you say, there's a tidal wave of data coming in. No one has time to look at it all. Is there a way to leverage these new tools to make things even faster?
So it's interesting because we have a client right now that needs a much better change control system, right? They need to document the change, assess all of the impacts, understand what needs to be done to validate that change, and then make a decision about whether FDA needs to be notified ahead of time, concurrently, or maybe in an annual update, maybe not at all. And I looked at a form that is a manual form. So it's a Word template, right, that you fill out. It's connected to your doc management system, so it knows what all your change control procedures and all your ancillary procedures say about how to do a change. It's also connected to the regs and whatever else you connect it to. And you start up your company and you say, okay, I want to make a change. It goes and looks at all of that, and it tells you what you probably need to consider doing. As you make more and more changes and you build your history and your information and it learns your product, when you go into that form and say, I want to buy a new autoclave, it says, oh, you requalified an autoclave or built one a while back. FDA just did a new presentation on that, which you uploaded. Here's everything you need to do.
Wow.
It was a simple Word form, and I looked at the gentleman who was showing it to me, and I said, holy cow. This is staggering because it learns over time what you need to do to run a root cause investigation for a deviation, what kind of corrective actions you might consider putting in place for a given sort of situation. And I thought, wow, even without an automated tool, if you were a small firm and you were starting manually, this would be an absolute miracle for a company starting with a manual Word form if it could be a smart form and connected to everything. It minimizes the number of people you need. It increases the accuracy because you're basing it on what's in your procedures, what's in FDA guidance, what other information you've connected it to. So you've increased the opportunity to be accurate and spot on significantly by just connecting it to all those sources of information.